Hey guys, I'm not all the way in my office yet, so I'm still kind of walking in there. So sorry if you hear some noises. So yeah. So I haven't really decided what game we should play, so let's do Wolf Online. Sorry, I was just yawning. So I'm doing well rather than that dog and predator situation. Okay. That was actually kind of a good song. Okay, let's play. Okay, so what animal should we play as? Let's do my snow wolf, because why not? Sorry, I'm just kind of tired. If you see me. My name is Luna Bubble Demon. Oh gosh. I should go help him. Let's say hi to the public. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting about the Roblox thing. I'm so sorry, I just keep forgetting. But I know, what is up with me today? Okay, if I see a very long tie. Okay. Stop. Oh no, I have it. Oh my gosh, I'm glitching. I'm flying. Oh my gosh. I love this. I'm gonna keep doing this. Wait, I keep flying. I wanna keep flying. Oh, I'm still flying. Oh, and I just went cool wave too. See, I can do the same thing. Run. Wait, no. That's my chicken. I killed it so I can do whatever I want with it. It kind of does it, but not as well as the buffalo. Oh my gosh, I just... Wait, is that a corpse or what? I don't think... Oh my gosh, it like licked underground. Oh, I felt like we were on a tree. But no. I'll go to change languages. Okay. Thanks. No, don't kill us, please. No, don't make me fall my totem. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Oh my gosh, they're literally like right next to each other. Are they getting after me? There. Oh my gosh, it already... Oh, help! Okay, I was going a little farther away. To go the way of the other part of the map. Wait, no, I need it. You don't. I do. I don't think he's even eating it. Oh my my gosh, it's fire bombed right next to me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what is going on right now? There's like a literal war. Death Gamer killing. Yes. There's literally like two. Oh my gosh, is it that Viper thing? Oh my gosh. That thing's so loud. I kind of have to like, it's kind of hard to know it. Oh my gosh, that killed me in like one hit. See, it killed them in one hit too. Anyway, that should be it today, so I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye!